Good morning. It is Friday, the Friday before Christmas. So I took off today because I do have things that I need to get done. I have some laundry to do, I have some cleaning to do. I have to go to the grocery store. I don't want to do that tomorrow or Sunday because that's going to be madness. Um, yeah, so not, I didn't take off for fun things. Just I had to. I need time to get things done. Plus I have a lot of time at work that I need to use up, a lot of PTO that I need to use, so why not? So yeah, I'm gonna have some coffee now and get my day started. Lately, I've been mixing my creamers, I should say. A little bit of the regular and a little bit of the caramel. And it tastes so good. And then I froth it. I do want to get like a good frother eventually, like where it warms up the creamer as well. Can't forget the cinnamon. Do you guys like cinnamon? Okay, cheers. I want to share this beautiful Christmas art on YouTube. I don't know why I never found it before. I usually just play like the regular Christmas, you know what I mean, right? With the music and the ambiance, but this is like actual art that looks like, artwork. How beautiful is this one? I love this one. Let me see what else they have. Let's see this one. Hi. Oh, it does still have commercial, but that's okay. Look at this one. This one has music. How cute. It really looks like wall art. Let's see what else they have. No, these are not wall art. These are Art TV. Look at that one. Has even like the frame around it. How pretty. This one. You guys could tell I love Santas. Look at this one.
When I'm feeling blue.
And if you don't want the music, obviously you can mute it. I love that one.
And Dad, right?
Right, yes, I suppose he could.
I don't think I'll ever get those things, so it's no big deal.
Guys, I did a horrible job at vlogging today. So it looks like I'm in the same spot as I was this morning. And I am, but I promise you, I got up and I did things today. I did laundry. And I just got back from the grocery store and I'm gonna cook now. I am so sorry. Horrible job of vlogging, but you know what? It's been busy everywhere. Like the laundromat was busy. The supermarket, of course, was busy. So I really couldn't vlog. So I apologize. I'm so sorry. But this is one of my favorite movies, Miracle on 34th Street. It's one of my favorites. And it's actually the first time I see it on TV this season. And I have on this oversized cozy winter sweatshirt. I bought this, I think, last year, and I didn't realize how huge it is, or was, I should say, when I bought it. It is very, very big, but it's appropriate. Yesterday was the first day of winter, and today is really, really cold. But yeah, I'm just gonna go make some. Sorry, guys. I'm moving the camera a lot. I'm gonna make some dinner now, and oh wow, oh gosh. At this point, I think this should be the norm when you guys see me looking crazy. And the not norm would be me looking put together. So anyway, I will check back with you guys later or tomorrow. We'll see. And if you want proof, there it is. I did laundry. I don't dry everything, so this is how I dry it in my apartment.
The parade.
Night, Susan.
Now, like me to sing you a little goodnight song?
If you want to.
Does your mother ever sing to you at night?
Why should she?
For no reason. I just think it's kind of nice. Do you like market?
Alright.
To market, to buy a pet pig.
Good morning. It is Saturday morning, and I was so happy to see the original Miracle on 34th Street on when I woke up this morning. How sweet was that? I love that movie. So anyway, I'm gonna do a little bit of work this morning. I am gonna log into work just for a couple of hours, and then I have to go return something. I'm dreading it because it's Saturday before Christmas, so I'm sure it's gonna be crazy traffic. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Just return something at Target. I don't have anything else to buy. My shopping is done. I did, go to the grocery store yesterday, so that's done. So yeah, pretty relaxing Saturday, hopefully. But of course, I'm gonna bring you along and let's see what the day brings. But right now I'm gonna work. So I'll check back with you guys later. Hello, it is much later. I haven't really been doing much other than, I did a little bit of work like I told you. And then I finally changed up the artwork on the wall, but I did something different and I really like it. So I'm going to flip you around and you guys let me know if you like it. So this is the winter artwork. I had it up last year. And on camera, as I'm looking through the camera lens, it looks like it's still too small for this wall, but in person, it doesn't look as small for some reason. But this year I decided to put the garland around it and I really like it. I think it looks nice. Again, I think it's not translating as good as it looks in person, unfortunately. But the reason that I decided to put something around the frame this year was because the artwork that was there before, the wall art, I should say, was longer. So the nails are there. And I didn't want to take out the nails. You'll see a hole. I didn't want to just leave the nails. That looks ugly. So I don't remember what I did last year. I don't know if I took out the nails. I'm not sure. But anyway, so I decided to put this garland up. I usually put this garland up in the window, or on the window, I should say. I didn't do it this year. So I went into my bin, I dug it up, and I really like the way it looks, especially with the lights off. It looks really cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So that's the whole vibe on this side. Yeah, I think it looks nice. What do you guys think? Like I said, I usually put that garland up here. I've done that before, but this year I didn't do it. I just have like my little window what do you call those? Light up window fixtures, window clings. Not sure what you call them, but that's what I've been doing. It took me a little long, but I did it. And then I also, let me show you what else I did. Put up this garland. Now this garland I did have up, excuse all of this. Don't look at that. This garland I did have up last year with my candy cane garland. Again, I wasn't gonna do it, but I had already pulled out the other one. It was in the same bin, so I just took it out and put it here. And that's it. So that is all. Also, I've been watching, I started watching, I should say, Dr. Death. It's a show on Peacock. Oh my goodness, so far it's really good, and it's based on true story. It's a true story or true events. Have you guys seen it? And if you have, do you like it? If you haven't, check it out. When I watch shows like this, it just instills a new fear in me. You'll know what I mean if you watch it. Well, Dr. Death. So it's about a doctor, obviously. And a lot of his patients die. That's all I'll say. So I won't give too much away. Watch it. Based on true events. Really scary. Anyway, guys, I don't think I'm going to be up too much more this evening. I did do laundry yesterday. However, I didn't wash my sheets. So I think I'm going to go do that real quick. I just don't want to have any more laundry to do till after the new year. So I'm going to get that done. And then tomorrow's Christmas Eve, guys. I can't believe it. So I'm going to go to church. And yeah, that's it. So let me go and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.
Hello. Merry Christmas Eve. You're not watching this on Christmas Eve, but today is Christmas Eve. So as you saw, we went to church. And then we went to breakfast. I did not film that, I don't believe. But then my daughter needed to get some things from ShopRite. So yes, we went to ShopRite on Christmas Eve. It's a grocery store by us, just in case they don't have a ShopRite wherever it is you guys are watching from. But I was so scared that it was going to be so crazy busy, but it wasn't. So I think I included some clips before this. And you can see that the store really wasn't that busy. So that was nice. And it was like around 2 o'clock that we went. So I was pleasantly surprised. She had to go get a couple of items because she's going to make a Spanish drink that's very popular during the holiday seasons. It's called coquito. If you guys haven't heard of it, It's very yummy. It's made with condensed milk, evaporated milk, I forget what else, coconut milk. It has rum in it. So she wants to try to make that for the first time. So we went for that. But now I'm home and I can't wait to get into my pajamas. I think I'm gonna bake some cupcakes and just watch some TV. I wanna say I wanna watch some Christmas movies, but I also want to continue watching that Dr. Death series. I know, not very Christmassy, but we'll see. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna hang out, and then tomorrow morning will be Christmas Day. We'll make some breakfast, open gifts, and just be with the family. So maybe I will share with you guys the cupcakes that I bake, and then that will be it. So maybe I'll check back later. If not, I will definitely see you tomorrow morning. Hi guys, it is Christmas Day. I'm just getting around to be able to actually film, talk to you guys on camera, I should say. Oh my god, we had such a great morning. My daughter and her boyfriend, my niece and her boyfriend came over, and we had such a good time. Ate breakfast, exchanged gifts, talked, laughed. It was good time. So now I'm just on my way to my aunt's house and spend some time over there. I should say my cousin's house, and spend time with them over there. Yeah, so I don't think I'll be vlogging anymore. I'm gonna edit this video later today, and yeah, that's it. I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happy and blessed New Year. And I hope that you guys get everything that you wish for 2024. And yeah, I will see you guys next year. Bye.